Now, with a PowerPoint presentation, of course, you can always present the normal way, which is slideshows, talking through it in a meeting perhaps, but maybe that's not something that you have access to, or perhaps it's not the way that you actually want to go about narrating this presentation, in which case it might actually be beneficial to insert some audio. Now, inserting audio is not just about your voice. If you remember at the beginning of our video, our very first slide had a little round of applause included in it. So you can insert anything from noises, web clips, etc. But I want to demonstrate a little bit about how you can use audio to actually narrate your presentation. Let's jump right into it. So I'm on my home screen here, and I'm going through my presentation, and I want to find some ways for us to enhance it by including some audio. Now, I can go ahead and have my readers just go ahead and read through the company mission statement, but maybe I want to narrate it myself and then have them listen through it as they're viewing the presentation. So I'm going to go ahead and insert some audio. Now, if the audio is already recorded, you can just go ahead and navigate over to the Insert tab here. And then on the right-hand side, you'll have the option for audio. You can choose audio on your PC, or you can even record your own audio if you don't have a file already set up. The other thing you can do is navigate over to the Record tab here and select audio that way. And this will automatically start up the audio recording for you. So we'll do both things. First of all, what we'll do is let's just go ahead and record some audio quickly so that we have something to work with. And then I'll show you how you can insert it and then some of the other features you have in terms of some of the playback options that are available after you insert or after you record an audio. So let's go ahead and click on the audio button here. You'll notice that we have the option. This is going to be, let's go ahead and give it a name. This is going to be mission statement. And then whenever you're ready, you just have to go ahead and click on the record button, and it'll start recording it. So you'll notice that it's keeping track of our total sound length. That's an easy way for us to keep track of what's going on. And then I can go ahead and just present the company mission statement and let them know that founded in Boston, the mission of Arrowmart is to provide an unforgettable experience for our clients, and so on and so forth. Once the audio is ready, we'll go ahead and press stop here. Go ahead and click OK, or you can click play to give a little playback. We'll click OK for now, and you'll notice that we have the audio already embedded in our slide. And if I go ahead and give it a click, record button, and it'll start recording it. So you'll have that audio playback for us. We'll talk a little bit about some of the playback options because the audio doesn't stop just there once you get it inserted. There's some actual options you can manipulate with it. But in the meantime, we're going to actually jump into another slide. We can talk about inserting audio into your PowerPoint presentation. So I'm just going to go down one slide here. And let's say I already had an audio that was recorded and I just want to embed it in the slide. Head on over to the Insert tab. Go ahead and navigate over to Media and Audio, and then choose Audio on my PC. And then depending on where you have the audio saved, you can just access it. When you find what you're looking for, go ahead and give it a click, hit Insert, and now that audio will be inserted into your slide deck, and you can move it wherever you need it to be. You'll notice here that once we insert some audio, we have some playback options. And here we can do things like add bookmarks to the audio. So we can determine when it's going to play and when it's going to stop. Maybe we can trim the audio here so that, there's maybe some pauses that aren't needed. We can trim it so that it's exactly what we need. We can change the volume. We can determine whether or not the audio is going to play in the background or not. So we want it to go through across all of our slides in the background. That's really helpful if you have audio, that's maybe a little jingle, a little music that you want to play throughout the presentation. You might want to select play it in the background there. You can even save the media. But the big thing that I want to talk about is the ability to create captions. So what I'm going to do first before we do caption options, I'm going to navigate back to the slide in which we recorded the audio about the company mission statement. And I'm going to go ahead and click on that audio. And you'll notice that the playback options will only appear once you click the audio. Navigate up top here. We have playback and we also have audio format. This is just going to change the look of the megaphone icon, whether or not you want that option to be there. Maybe you want to remove it completely. But we'll navigate back over to playback. And then we're going to go ahead and click on Insert Captions. So we'll go ahead and insert the captions here. And if we had some captions that had already been saved, we can go ahead and embed them in. And now when the audio plays, you'll also have those closed captions available. What does this do? Well, this allows us, one is from an accessibility standpoint, right? It's for some of our readers and audience members who may be hard of hearing and may not necessarily be able to hear the audio clearly. They have the closed captions to follow along with. so they can keep track of everything that's being said. But it's also just a helpful tool for your own efficiency and time. Maybe we're not able to fully tune into the audio, or maybe we have to keep the volume low, but we can read through what the narration is saying with those closed captions. So it's really helpful to know that we have those captions options available. But that's how you insert some audio. Again, it's a great way to not only add a little spice to your presentation, but it could also be a great way for the readers to really engage with whatever it is you're presenting.